Most of the videos we've talked about so far have revolved around field data and analyzing fields and data and things like that. We haven't really talked about equipment all that much, so let's look and see where we can take a deeper dive look into our machine. So if we go to Analyze and Machine Analyzer, we can now look at reports for machines. So we can look at performance, we can look at fuel usage, DEF usage, technology usage. We can also create our own custom report. So I could come up with one that looks at engine hours, engine metrics, machine metrics, basically create my own custom report. And I won't do that today, but we'll just look at some of the ones that are already in here. So I'm going to look at machine. I'm going to use just this year so far. You can look at months, weeks, kind of whatever custom time frame you want to look at. But for this example, I'm going to look at my sprayer. So I can hit the drop down there. If I had multiple sprayers, it would break them down individually. But here I can see my engine lifetime hours. I can look at the hours for year to date, which is 200. And then I can see, okay, in those 200 hours, 31% of it was spent working, 38% of it was spent in transport mode, 32% of it was spent in idle. I can also look at my fuel usage. So how much fuel have I burned so far this year? And again, we go back to all those other reports, and there's different things that you can look at. We also have our export option here. We can export it into an Excel file, a PDF as well. So just a deeper dive look into different metrics of our machines through the Machine Analyzer tab.